In this video, we will cover the basics of arrays and their applications. Let's dive into the subject. Arrays are basically used to duplicate an object multiple times and arrange them on a specific order. Select the cube, then click on Properties tab, click on Add Properties. Inside of Generate, the first one, click on Array. Factor XYZ are responsible for the distance between the starting point of two array items in XYZ axis. It is not a specific unit. For example, value of factor x means x times length of the object's x-axis length. Take your own time and try to understand the concept. Fit types. There are three fit types. The first one, fixed count, second one is fit length, and third is fit curve. Fixed count. In this case, number of the array's items is fixed. You can set a number in the count box. Then try to change the factor values and observe the changes. This type is useful for the arrays which have a fixed count of items. But when animating, this is an animating property, so we can use it some useful way. Case 2. Fit length. In this type, we can set a length. This array never exceeds the length set by us. When we try to change the factor values, the distance between that array item will change. To prevent a change of length, the number of array items will change. Case 3. Fit curve. Set fit type to fit curve. Add curve properties to the object. Inside deform, select curve. Press Shift plus A. Create a new circle curve under curve. Now select the cube. Set curve to our curve object. Then select curve object to curve. Now change the factor values and curve size and observe the changes. Another good thing in Blender arrays, we can set the first and the last array item as what we want. Create a new mesh monkey and another new mesh cylinder. Then go to caps and set one of them to cap start and another to end. Now you can see the first and last thing of our arrays are changed. We have some useful tool called spin. Select the cube and go to the edit mode. Press Alt plus E and S. Now change steps, center, angles and learn how they work.